So good morning class. Today 27th of October 2020. Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. So in the previous class we had discussed Glimpses of India part 2 and the name of that part 2 portion is Kurg. This portion is written by Lokesh Abral, isn't it? And we have discussed some of its paragraphs. Let us revise those paragraphs and then we will start proceeding it. Right? So Kurg lies between the coastal town of Mangalore and Mysore. It is a very beautiful place like heaven. Okay. It must have come from the kingdom of God. Strong man, beautiful woman, and wild creatures live in it. So it is famous for its beautiful creatures, wild animals, species. Kurg or Kodagu, other name of Kurg. Okay, Kodagu, Kodagu. It is the smallest district of Karnataka state. It has evergreen rainforest, spaces, and coffee plantations. Many visitors come in between September to March month. The weather at that time is very fine and the air is full of coffee fragrance, full of coffee fragrance is there. Then we have seen that the people of Kurg are of either Greek or Arabic descent. Here the story goes that a part of it become impractical. These people, what happened? These people, there is actually the story lies here. The Alexander's army settled here, and then they become very impractical. Then these people they married there, and among the locals, and adopted each and every culture. This culture is seen in the tradition form, marriage ceremonies, religious rites, like that. The Arab origin is seen in the long black coat worn by these Kodagus people. This type of dress is known as kupia, Kuppia. It is like the kufia worn by the Arabians and the Kurds. Okay. So in this way, we can say we have read about the people, about the visitations and everything about it. So yesterday we had seen this much, isn't it? Now today we will proceed it. Take out your book, page number 87, I think. Wait a minute. Page number 91. Sorry, it's 91. Yeah, it's 91. Fourth line. I'm going to read fourth line. Yes, second page. Fourth line, right? Kurgi homes have a tradition of hospitality and they are more than willing to recount numerous tales of valor related to their sons and fathers. The Kurg regiment is one of the most decorated in the Indian Army and the first chief of the Indian Army, General Karappa, was a Kurgi one. Even now, Kodavas are the only people in India permitted to carry firearms without a license. Okay. So here the author told that the Kurgi homes have a tradition of hospitality. Hospitality means आदर सत्कार करने का एक अलग अनोखा रिवाज है यहाँ पे इनके घरों में. The people have many tales of bravery. यहाँ के लोगों की काफी बहादुरी की कथाएं सुनाई जाती है. They are very brave people. And the Kurg regiment, okay, Kurg regiment is one of the most decorated in the Indian Army. Indian Army में भारतीय सेना में कुर्ग रेजिमेंट का एक बहुत ही अधिक सम्मानितों में से एक माना जाता है. इतना वेल रहता है. लाइशा सिंह, रोमित नाहर. The Indian Army, General Karappa, okay, General Karappa, he was the first army chief, was a Kurgi people, was a Kurgi one. जो Indian Army का सबसे पहला जनरल था, Karappa, he was also belong to this place, Kurgi place. Even today, Kodavas are the only people in India to carry firearms without a license. आज भी भारत में कोडावर्स ग्रुप्स के अकेले ऐसे व्यक्ति हैं जिन्हें हथियार रखने की अनुमति है बिना लाइसेंस के. बिना लाइसेंस के. वरना हम अगर इस तरह के वेपन्स रखते हैं अपने पास तो वी शुड हैव दैट लाइसेंस आल्सो. हमारे पास लाइसेंस होना चाहिए. But these people, Kodavas one, Kurgi people, they can keep these firearms or anything without license because they are considered as the most decorative. They are faming in the Indian General Army. या उनका इंडियन आर्मी में एक बहुत अच्छा इंपॉर्टेंट स्थान है. उनको एक आइडेंटिटी कार्ड ऐसी प्रूफ दी जाती है जिससे ये पता चलता है कि they can keep those weapons with them. वो रख सकते हैं अपने साथ. Though today they are not seen, such a majority one is not there. आज वो इतने मेजोरिटी में नहीं है. बहुत माइनर पीपल रह गए, वहाँ बहुत कम लोग रह गए हैं जिनके पास ये लाइसेंस और ये सब चीज फैसिलिटीज है like that. Okay. Now proceeding to the next paragraph. Nandini Sharma. Next paragraph. Read it.
Yes, ma'am. The river Kaveri obtains its water from the hills and forest of Kurg. Mahasir, a large freshwater fish, about in these waters, about these waters. Kingfishers dive for their catch, while squirrels and langurs drop partially eaten fruit for the mischief of enjoying the splash and the ripple effect in the clear water. Elephants enjoy being bathed and scrubbed in the river by their
Mouths.
mahouts.
Yes. So here, thank you so much. The river Kaveri. Here it's mentioned about the river. The river Kaveri gets its water from Kurg's forest and hills. River Kaveri, the most important river of Indian one. It gets the water from this forest and hills. Mahasi is the largest fresh water fish is found here. Mahashi, the largest freshwater fish. Here it is found in these waters. Kingfishers, squirrels, and langurs are found near these waters. So, with a, as we have know that here, this is here rainforest, evergreen forest are this is found here in this street, in this townships area. So obviously wild animals should be there. So here kingfishers, squirrels, langurs are found near these waters. Birds, bees, butterflies give one a good company here. Elephants also being bathed here by their mouths. महावत जिसे बोलते हैं एलिफेंट्स अपने महावत के साथ जो पर्सन लेके आता है ना उसे महावत कहते हैं. हिंदी में महावत कहा जाता है इसे. तो एनिमल्स आल्सो केम हियर टू बाथ. नहाने के लिए क्योंकि वाटर बहुत ही अच्छा है यहाँ पे. एंड कावेरी नदी का पानी बहते हुए जाता है यहाँ फॉरेस्ट और हिल एरिया में. So that is why all the wild creatures, they also enjoy this water facility, all these things. Okay. Now the next paragraph. Laisha Singh.
Yes, ma'am.
Read.
The most laid-back individuals become converts to the life of high-energy adventure with river rafting, canoeing, rappelling, rock climbing, and mountain biking. Numerous walking trails in this region are a favorite with trekkers. Birds, bees, and butterflies are there to give you company. Macaws, Malabar squirrels, langurs, and slender lories keep a watchful eye from the tree canopy. I do, however, prefer to step aside for wild elephants. The climb to the Brahmagiri hills brings you into a panoramic view of the entire misty landscape of Kurg. A walk across the rope bridge leads to the 64-acre island of Nisargadama, running into Buddhist monks from India's largest Tibetan settlement at near Bailakup is a bonus. The monks in red, ochre, and yellow robes are amongst the many surprises that wait to be discovered by visitors searching for the heart and soul of India, right here in Kurg.
Okay, thank you so much, Laisha. So here we have seen that the most important individuals here, the life of adventuring. People do the adventuring trip like river rafting, canoeing, rappelling, rock climbing is also there, mountaineering is there. तो लोग यहाँ पे अलग अलग तरह की एडवेंचरस ट्रिप भी करते हैं, रिवर राफ्टिंग करते हैं, कैनोइंग करते हैं, ट्रैवलिंग थ्रू रिवर लाइक दैट, देन माउंटेनिंग भी करते हैं, बहुत सारी चीजें, बिकॉज इट इज ए प्लेस, ये ऐसी जगह है, माउंटेन एरिया है जहाँ पे numerous peoples come, visitors come and they enjoy it, all types of adventurous trips. So the climb of the Brahmagiri hills give a climber the whole view of Kurg. Brahmagiri जो mountains है यहाँ पे hills है, sorry hills है, it give a very beautiful view, बहुत अच्छा viewness देता है. A walk across the rope bridge leads to the 64-acre island of Nisargadamu. So here a rope is there through this bridge. A rope is there. 64-acre island here. यहाँ पे रस्सी के पुल के ऊपर क्या किया जाता है? 64 एकड़ में फैले हुए यहाँ पे टापू तक, एक आइलैंड तक जाया जा सकता है, ऐसा एरिया है ये, ठीक है ना. निसर्ग धाम जिसे यहाँ पे लिखा गया निसर्ग धाम, वो एक आइलैंड टाइप का है, तो वहां पे वो टापू का एरिया है, तो वो रस्सी का पुल ऐसे बनाया गया है, अब वहां पे वैसे उसके थ्रू जा सकते हैं. Buddhist monks from India's Tibetan settlement live in Bailakuppe. Okay, so here the भारत में जितने भी तिब्बतीज पीपल्स हैं वो यहाँ पे बुद्ध धर्म के लोग यहाँ पे बसते हैं, भिक्षु यहाँ पे बाइलाकुप्पे जिसे बोलते हैं, वो लोग भी यहाँ पे कई लोग रहते हैं, यहाँ बुद्धिस्ट पीपल रहते हैं. One can see them dressed in red, ochre and yellow robes. कई लोग इनको लाल रंग का, गेरुआ कलर का और पीले रंग के पहनावे भी देख सकते हैं. So here we can say that Buddhist monks are also there. Okay, Buddhist monks also here, and they also spend their life here preaching their religion, their sermons, everything like that. So here we can say that the life of Kurg people, though the place is very beautiful, very nice one, at the same time people were also very nice and they developed their coffee plantation very well. River facility is there, mountainous scene is there, hills are there, at the same time wild creatures, we have seen a lot of wild creatures is also there. So obviously on the whole we can see that the Kurg is no doubt it is a beautiful place as we have considered the heavenly God, isn't it? But at the same time it is a panoramic view. We can see that through this Kurg we can enjoy the moment, each and every moment. जो हमने कुर्ग के बारे में पढ़ा एक छोटी सी एक्सट्रैक्ट के रूप में, उससे हमें यही आइडेंटिफिकेशन लगा सकते हैं कि कुर्ग एक सिर्फ खूबसूरत जगह नहीं है, बहुत सारी वैरायटी ऑफ थिंग्स आर देयर इन दैट प्लेस, बहुत सारी चीजें, चाहे वो वाइल्ड लाइफ से कंसिडर करो, रिवर से कंसिडर करो आप, चाहे वो वेजिटेशंस के रूप में लो, या आप रिलीजियस पीपल बुद्धिस्ट मॉन्क के कंडीशन से लो, जिस टाइप से भी लेना है उसमें हमें यही कर सकते हैं कि कुर्ग एक बहुत अच्छी जगह है. दो इट इज ए स्मॉलेस्ट डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफ कर्नाटक बट इट्स ए ब्यूटीफुल प्लेस. यहाँ जो साइट सीन है वो बहुत अच्छी है, ठीक है ना. कभी भी कर्नाटक जाने का टाइम मतलब मिले, अपॉर्चुनिटी मिले तो हम बड़े बड़े प्लेसेस ढूंढते हैं, but you know the small places, they are having their own importance, having their own panoramic view. Okay, वो हमें एक नया व्यू देते हैं अपार्ट फ्रॉम द सिटी लाइफ. हमारी सिटी लाइफ से एक नया व्यू लगता है. हम लोग को सिटी लाइफ ज्यादा अट्रैक्टिव लगती है, बट इफ वी मूव टुवर्ड्स द अदर साइड ऑफ द ओशन, the smaller area of any of the place gives a good impression on us. हमारे ऊपर एक अच्छी छाप छोड़ते हैं. So Coorg is such type of place in which we can see that all types of variety of things we have seen, whether it is from wildlife or from any part of it. किसी part से अगर हम देखें तो Coorg एक बहुत अच्छी जगह है. So this is your part 2, Coorg. I hope it must be clear to you, all of you. Coorg समझ में आ गया आपको? Anyone have any doubt? किसी को कोई doubt है? Anyone? I have observing that many of students have again shut their video. What is the reason behind it? Otherwise, I will keep class group में note डालूंगी. If you are close the video and then join it, it is not necessary. No need to join in my class. आप क्यों वीडियो बंद करके करते हैं? कुछ भी करना है आपको, वीडियो बंद कर लेते हैं आप तुरंत. As my teaching started, you just shut your video. Does it look nice? ऐसा अच्छा लगता है क्या? नेक्स्ट टाइम आपकी वीडियो सबकी खुली रहनी चाहिए, सबकी. अभी भी बंद है. They left it. वो चले गए वीडियो को, उन्होंने ऑन कर लिया. They are attending this, they are present, and वीडियो बंद कर लिया. Whatever they like to do it. This is not a good thing. ये अच्छी चीज नहीं है. आप 10th के स्टूडेंट से you should be very much attentive. Okay. Anyway, have you any doubt? You can ask me. किसी कोई डाउट है? Anyone have? Open your audio. Yes, anyone have any doubt? Coorg, related to the part Coorg. Coorg se related. Tomorrow we will start the next.
Ma'am,
Yes.
can you please explain the last paragraph?
Brahmagiri one, that one.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The Brahmagiri hills give the climber. Okay. जो ब्रह्मगिरी की पहाड़ियां हैं और इस पे जो चढ़ने वाले जो लोग के हिल्स एरिया है, वो एक बहुत ही अच्छा व्यू देते हैं Coorg में, right? A walk across the rope bridge leads to the 64-acre island of निसर्गधाम. ठीक है ना? रस्से की पुल के द्वारा यहाँ पे 64 एकड़ लैंड पर फैला यहाँ पे एक निसर्गधाम टापू है, जहां पे इसके थ्रू, ब्रिज के थ्रू जाया जा सकता है. Buddhist monks from India's Tibetan settlement live in बाइलाकुप्पे. भारत के कई तिब्बतियन बस्ती में बुद्ध धर्म के लोग, भिक्षुक यहाँ पे आके सेटल हुए हैं. One can see them dressed in red, ओक्रे मीन्स गेरुए कलर का, और येलो कलर के ड्रेस पहने हुए ये लोग बुद्धिस्ट मॉन्क्स यहाँ पे रहते हैं. Any doubt now?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Anyone have? Okay, fine. Now, tomorrow we will have the third part, that is the important one, tea from Assam. Isn't it? You must have heard that Assam is famous for the tea plantation. Okay ना? Coorg था कॉफी प्लांटेशन के लिए. ठीक है ना? गोवा में आ गया मेकर्स ऑफ ब्रेड, और ये आ गया टी. ठीक है? So tomorrow we will continue tea from Assam. And right now I'm giving you some short type question with textbook question summary also. Please see the class group and note it down in your copy. Okay. So thank you and have a nice day. Thank you so much. This is the end of our meeting.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, beta.